welcome back to this channel. My name is Emanuela. Thank you all for tuning in. On this channel, I create personal finance content, accounting and professional content, as well as inspirational content. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on Canva. Canva is simply a design tool that you can use to design YouTube thumbnails, flyers, brochures, newsletters for social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and so on. Canva have 56 million users from 179 countries and still counting. This means that if something has more than 56 million users, it means that you can utilize that opportunity to make money. There are two ways in which you can make money on Canva within the Canva app. You can make up to $36 on a single day on Canva. The first way is by becoming a contributor to Canva. Becoming a contributor to Canva means that you simply upload photos, videos, animated stickers to Canva. And I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial how you can become a contributor to Canva and how you can begin to upload items such as photos, videos, animated stickers to Canva, and you begin to make money each time a Canva user uses your image, uses your animated sticker, and using your video to do any design within the Canva app. And the second way in which you can make money on Canva is by sharing affiliated Canva links to people. If somebody sign up with a pro Canva version using your link, each time the person do a purchase on Canva for an item, for an image, for a video, you make up to $36. I'm equally going to show you on this tutorial. If you want to be making $36 plus in a single day on Canva, make sure you follow this tutorial. Imagine if 10 people sign up for the Canva Pro version using your Canva link, you make $360 on a single day. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel or join this family, make sure you do so by clicking on the red subscribe button below this video. Also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload on this channel. Let's get into the tutorial. Go over to your Google browser and type in canva.com. When you type canva.com, it will lead you to this page where you need to sign up for an account if you don't have one, or either you continue with your Google account or you log in with your Facebook account. So I already have a Google account. I'm just going to log in with my Google account by clicking on log in with Google. To go to the left hand side of your screen and click on the users menu, where you have home, templates, features, learn and pricing. Click on learn. Click on courses. Then scroll down and click on see all. Click on see all. When you click on see all, it will land you to the design school of Canva, where there are different courses that you can sign up for Canva and you begin to learn with your mobile, such as creating a logo, Canva for beginners courses, presentations, graphic design basics, personal branding, social media branding, Canva for the classroom, branding your big business, and so on. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you have company and you click on company. Click on company. When you click on company, scroll down to where you see contributors and you click on contributors in order to start uploading your photos, your content to Canva and make money. They say sell your media online and start earning. Canva design tool is used by over 65 million users from 179 countries around the world, opening up a whole new market for your design. Become a contributor now and start selling your content. So you can click on become a contributor and begin to upload your images, your videos, your animated stickers to Canva. And each time a subscriber uses a design that is yours, a photo that is yours, you make money from that download. And you can upload using the CSV format, the JPG format, the PNG format, the EPS format, the SVJ format, the MOV format, the MP4 format. You can equally check the submission guidelines on how to submit content on Canva. If you want to know your earnings per month, pay every transaction, click on my items. On my items, you see every earning, every income that you have made on Canva on this section of my items. So this is how you can become a contributor to Canva and begin to make money. The second way to make money on Canva is to sign up for Canva affiliate program and begin to refer people to the Canva Pro version. And each time somebody sign with your link, you make up to $36 for that referral. This is how the process usually go. You click on the user menu as we did when you wanted to become a contributor. Click on learn, click on courses, and you still scroll down and click on see all. It will still lead you to the design school where you have the different courses that you can sign up with Canva and begin to learn, such as creating a logo, becoming a Pinterest contributor, also learn about Canva events, learn about Canva for education, designing with Canva, and so on. So you scroll down to the bottom of the page where you have company. You click on company. When you click on company, when you click on company, go down to where you have affiliate program and click affiliate program. It says earn money with Canva Pro, share the power of good design, join the Canva Pro affiliate program. So here the process usually goes thus. You register as an affiliate. They say be among the first to earn revenue for referring new Canva Pro users. It's free to join, no fees, and no minimum sales. The second, they say promote Canva Pro. They say help grow Canva global users base. When your visitors click a link and sign up to Canva Pro, you make money. They say earn up to $36 for each new Canva Pro subscriber that signs up with your unique referral link. We offer regular and flexible payment options, as you can see below. So these are the different payments that has been done by Canva using PayPal. You have the credit, the invoice number, the currency, the price, the status, and the invoice details. So this is how you can see all the transactions that you have been doing with Canva on the settings section. So let's go ahead and join. Click on join now in order to become a partner of the Canva Pro, in order to start making $36 for each referrer that sign up with our link. They say, welcome partner to the Canva Pro Affiliate Program. On the right hand side of your screen, click on the drop down arrow and select your country. This information by filling in your name, your email address, your username, your password, your company name, your country, the currency that you want to be working with. Then the payment method here, you can choose the payment method here, and then equally all the referrals that you do with the Canva Pro, you see your earnings on this section, and you can equally withdraw your money on PayPal as I earlier showed you. So this is how you can become a contributor to Canva and begin to make money on a daily basis. For each Canva user that uses your image, that uses your animated sticker, that uses your video to design any design within the Canva app. And that is also how you can refer someone to sign up for the Canva Pro version, and you make $36 on a daily basis. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you other ways in which you can make money on Canva outside the Canva app. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, share this video with someone, and see you in the next video.